Welcome to Hunt ERA. This is Bob Scholes, the Manager of Career Development, and I can't tell you how excited we are that you've decided to make your career here at Hunt ERA. If you have any questions at all about your beginning at Hunt ERA, you can certainly contact us, and my number is 716-818-2569. So let's talk a little bit about where we're going with you today. We're going to start you with basic training. In the basic training module, which runs about 5 to 6 weeks, depending on the time of the year, and runs every 5 to 6 weeks, you're going to be given the foundation for your career in real estate. All the materials will be provided for you. I actually deliver the training here in the Buffalo, Niagara area, so all the materials will be delivered for you, and they'll be provided at no cost or investment on your part. The evening classes run between 5:30 and 8:30 in different evenings during the week. There is a calendar, and we'll talk to you about the calendar and where you can get this. Calendar is at huntlearning.com. That's huntlearning.com. In there you'll see a Buffalo, Niagara, as well as a Rochester, Syracuse, and so on, a calendar for the training that we offer. Again, we're so happy that you have you here. In addition to your basic training, understand that there'll be plenty of opportunities for you to learn outside of basic training. The other types of training resources that we have online webinars that you'll be able to take part in. We have online self-paced courses that you'll be able to take advantage of online. And then we have online recorded. Some of the things that we do in the recorded sessions are short, what we like to call chunk training. They're online and on demand for you to learn something quickly and easily so that you can be a more professional and more proficient real estate agent. And then finally, our online videos, one of which you're viewing right now. We do have many online videos to help you to learn the business, help you to exceed in the business, help you to be profitable in the business. Again, thank you for listening to this video, and I'd like to welcome you to Hunt. It's Bob Scholes, Manager of Career Development. Again, my number, 818-2569. Or if you need to email me, you can email me at bscholz, that's SCHOLZ, @huntrealestate.com. Again, thanks.